Instagram, the land of perfectly curated lives and even more perfectly curated faces. It's a place where everyone seems to have flawless skin, impossibly long lashes, and eyebrows that could cut diamonds. And while some of us are perfectly content with our perfectly normal selves, others are constantly on the hunt for the next big beauty hack to transform themselves into Instagram goddesses. Enter the weird, the wacky, and the downright what the heck were they thinking world of Instagram beauty hacks. Welcome back to Glowenvy, your go-to spot for beauty experiments, glam hacks, and a little bit of chaos. If you love testing out the internet's weirdest beauty trends, hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into some next-level Instagram hacks. These hacks promise the world whiter teeth with charcoal, plumper lips with a shot glass, and curlier lashes with a spoon? Yes, you read that right. A spoon. Apparently you can use a spoon to curl your eyelashes. Who needs expensive eyelash curlers when you have a drawer full of perfectly good cutlery, right? The problem is, most of these hacks are about as effective as using a potato peeler to apply your foundation. They're messy, they're time-consuming, and they often leave you looking less like a glowing goddess and more like a hot mess. But hey, at least they're good for a laugh, right? And that's what we're here for. Let's start with everyone's favorite baking staple, baking soda. Apparently, this pantry essential is not just for making cookies. It's also for achieving brighter, smoother underarms. Yes, you read that right. Underarms. The instructions are simple. Mix baking soda with water, or sometimes lemon juice, because why not add some citrus to your armpits? Slather it on. Wait. And voila! Brighter underarms. Or more likely, a red, itchy, and irritated mess. And while we're on the topic of using food as beauty products, let's talk about potatoes. Potatoes are great. They're versatile, they're delicious, and apparently they can also banish dark circles. The hack involves cutting thin slices of potato and placing them over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Because nothing says I woke up like this like having potato starch crusted onto your face. The reality is, these kitchen concoctions might be good for whipping up a batch of cookies or a side of mashed potatoes, but they're not doing your skin any favors. Moving on from the kitchen, let's venture into the even more terrifying realm of DIY beauty tools. First up, we have the infamous tweezer eyebrow contouring technique. This hack involves using tweezers, yes, tweezers, to draw on your eyebrow hairs, because apparently eyebrow pencils are so 2023. The result? Let's just say it's less on fleek and more hot streak. And if you thought tweezer eyebrows were bad, wait till you hear about the spoon cut crease. This hack involves using a spoon, yes, another spoon, to create a sharp, defined crease on your eyelids. The idea is that the curve of the spoon will help you achieve a perfect line. The reality? You're more likely to end up with a big smudged mess and a newfound fear of spoons. The truth is, there's a reason why professional makeup artists exist. They have the skills, the tools, and most importantly, the steady hands to create these looks. So, there you have it. The weird, the wacky, and the downright ridiculous world of Instagram beauty hacks. While the results of these hacks might be questionable, the entertainment value is undeniable. These hacks are a reminder that beauty is not about achieving some unattainable standard of perfection. It's about having fun, experimenting, and maybe, just maybe, not taking ourselves too seriously. So next time you're scrolling through Instagram and you come across a beauty hack that seems too good to be true, remember this. It probably is. But hey, if you're feeling brave, and you have a spare potato and a spoon lying around, go for it. Just don't blame us if you end up looking less like a beauty guru and more like a walking, talking Pinterest fail. If you love beauty experiments as much as I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy test. See you in the next one.